Welcome to Bike News, your go-to channel for the latest motorcycle updates, reviews, and riding insights. Today, we dive into a true dual sport legend that refuses to quit, the 2025 Honda XR650L. In a world dominated by high-tech adventure bikes, the XR650L stands tall with its proven reliability, rugged construction, and go-anywhere spirit. Classic design, modern touch. At first glance, the 2025 XR650L looks almost identical to the models of the past, and that's a good thing. Honda has stayed true to the bike's original dual-sport DNA. The steel frame, long travel suspension, and minimal bodywork make it perfect for riders who crave simplicity and toughness. The bike features updated LED lighting and a refreshed color scheme, but Honda hasn't strayed from the essence of the XR, durability over flash. Performance built for adventure. Powering the XR650L is a 644 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that's been a workhorse for decades. It delivers a smooth but torquey ride, ideal for off-road climbs and city traffic alike. While it may not have the electronics of newer rivals, it more than makes up for it with brute strength, low-end grunt, and a bulletproof engine known to last well beyond 50,000 miles. Riding experience on and off the road. Whether you're commuting through the city or blasting down a fire trail, the XR650L handles both with ease. The suspension setup, with 11 inches of front travel and nearly 11 inches in the rear, absorbs big hits, rocks, and ruts like a champ. The seat height is tall at 37 inches, making it more suitable for experienced riders, but its upright riding position and lightweight feel make it manageable even in tight technical terrain. Minimal tech, maximum reliability. In an era of TFT displays, riding modes, and ABS, the XR650L keeps things old school. There's no traction control, no rider aids, and not even fuel injection, and that's exactly why riders love it. The carburetor setup makes trailside fixes easier, especially in remote areas. It's a bike that prioritizes reliability over bells and whistles. Final thoughts: the true enduro icon. The 2025 Honda XR650L might not win any awards for innovation, but it doesn't need to. It's a time-tested machine for riders who value raw adventure, simplicity, and dependability. If you want a bike that's equally at home in the dirt and on the highway, one that you can wrench on, beat up, and still ride the next day, the XR650L is calling your name. Outro: subscribe for more. Thanks for watching Bike News. If you enjoyed this review of the 2025 Honda XR650L, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on your favorite dual sport and adventure motorcycles. Ride safe, and see you in the next video.